Hello and welcome back to the Footsteps for Life channel. I just want to start by thanking everybody who is helping us reach our 100 subscriber goal. We are now at 92, so we only need 8 more subscribers, which I definitely know we're going to hit before Christmas. So this is a Drawing for Kids episode. So what I'm going to be teaching you today is how to draw the Grinch. Right, okay, so the first bit we're going to work on is the Grinch's eyebrows. So for this, we're going to draw 2 lines that are identical. That will snake up and then come round. And we'll do exactly the same. Don't worry if they're not identical. Okay, but just roughly the same. Right, so to continue with his eyebrows, where we started, we can follow that round, but then come up slightly, and then come back on ourselves, and then connect here. And then we'll do the same on the other side, so follow it round, come up, come back on ourselves, and then join up. There. Perfect. Okay, right, so we're now going to do his eyes. So the eyes will touch his eyebrows. So we'll do 2 circles. There's one, and another one exactly the same. Like so, perfect. We do the characteristics of the eyes, and then do the little bit at the bottom. Good, perfect. Right, now we'll give the eyes a little bit more detail. The eyes a little bit more detail, so this will bring out his grin even more. Okay, perfect. And then we'll stay working on his smile. So where we've just finished our lines, we can then draw another arc line coming across, and then we'll do the same on the other side, like so. And then that will be the start of his smile. But before we do that, in line with the bottom of his eyes, we'll just draw a little oval. And then we'll draw a line straight down. And then from here, we can actually put a little dot where we can then connect the grin of the Grinch to that line there. Like so, perfect. Okay, so we make sure that we get the shape of his face correct. We can then draw the furry bit that stick out at the side of his face here, and we'll do the same on the other side, and then we can actually then draw the line to come up the shape of his face. Perfect. One line will be slightly longer than the other, but that's just to make sure his hat looks like it's slanted. So from here, we'll finish the bottom of his face, so we can actually again put another dot underneath his jaw, or underneath his grin, sorry, and then we can draw a line round to come and connect to that part. There we go, perfect. Okay, right, let's finish his head. So from here, he's wearing a woolly hat, so we can draw the fluff of his hat. Like so. And have his hat coming up to the top there. Draw, and then appearing again backpack and then come down and join. And then we can draw the fluffy bit at the bottom. His hat, like so. Perfect. Okay, so now we can work on his body. So we can draw in his neck. And then he's wearing a fluffy white collar, like so. And then we can get the shape of his body. So from here, you can draw the 2 lines coming down. Like so. And then we can start to draw his arms. So from there, they come out and then round back on themselves. From here, come up and then back on themselves like so. Then we can do the same on the other side. So coming across and then down, back towards his body. From here, come up and then back down towards his body like so. So that they're roughly in line with each other. Can then draw his little collars for his sleeves and then draw his hands coming up so that they're resting on his hips. Perfect. And then we can draw his body coming back down like so. Perfect. Right, he's wearing his cotton waistband, so what we can then do is draw cotton going around his waist. Like so. And then we can move on to his legs and his feet. So again, using the center of his body, we can draw a little U-ish shape here. And then we can then have his legs coming round in line with that, and then the same on the other side. And then from here, we can then draw his legs coming down. And then down on the other side. And then from here, his crotch coming down to the bottom, and the same on the other side. Perfect. Draw his little collars at the bottom of his legs, and then we can draw his feet. So for this, come along, up, back on themselves and up, and then do the same, up, down and up. Okay, perfect. Right, well there we have it. Now all that's left to do is to colour him in. And there we have it. I hope that tutorial was easy for you to follow along to. As always, if you have any suggestions of things that you would like us to draw, then please make sure you put that down in the comment section below. Remember, we are trying to hit our 100 subscriber goal, so if you haven't already done so, then please make sure you subscribe to our channel. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.